This video will provide a brief overview of how you can create explicit word lists for 2 and 3 letter digraphs and consonant clusters. So what we do, we scroll down to our bonus features, and searching here we have cluster-based word lists. This is an interactive tool, and it has a database of about 11,000 words. So what we want to do is, I did in the earlier single syllable words, I'm working with a student that is working with having difficulty with the B and D reversals. So what I want to do is work on initial BR and DR clusters. So in order to use a tool, you have to have at least some item in one of these columns, this column, and or this column. You can mix and match, but the more you click, the more word lists you will have. But we do have to have an ending item selected. So in this case, we're going to select no final clusters. I'm going to select on syllable word sort, and then going to search, and you can see I have 126 words with the BR and DR consonant blends. So that's quite a few words. So you can again, you can copy and paste that into Excel, but let's narrow our search down. So it's like an accordion again. So you can, that's pretty broad even for 2 beginning sounds. Let's narrow it down, and I only have 5 words. In this case, there are no DR consonant clusters. Let's take a look at 3-letter clusters. I'm going to refresh all clusters, so that's one click to clear everything. And now I'm going to select the SCR, SPR, and STR. Again, I'm going to select syllable word search or sort. If we can do a search, and again we have 84. So you have SCR, SPR, STR. Again, let's narrow it down. Let's work with the NG sound, ending sound. We do a search, and then we only have 7. Again, SPR, STR, and there is no SCR. Okay, let's clear our items. Now we're going to work with the medial clusters. We're going to work again with working with the reversals. We got BR and DR in the middle of the word, and again, no clusters at the end, and we have 110 words. There's a BR, and there's a DR. So again, it's like an accordion. This time we want to even expand it, but we want to include all clusters, all 2-letter clusters. So here's a button for that. And now we can do a search, and now we only have 7. Okay, let's clear those. Now let's go down here, and there's another button. They're final 3-letter clusters, but also the syllabic L. So we do a search. Here you have DR, 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 and a BR. Again, it's like an accordion. You can narrow your search or you can widen your search. And you can sort it in many different ways. So that's how you can create explicit lists for 2 and 3-letter digraphs and consonant clusters or blends.